Next up, we're going to the blue half of Liverpool. Yes, that's right, Everton Football Club. We took a trip to Finch Farm to talk to Ireland's Jake O'Brien. The questions today are coming from an Everton superfan.
Hi Jake, my name's Finley. My questions for you are, who was your favourite football hero growing up?
I played against Cristiano Ronaldo. Playing against him was kind of crazy, I suppose, but he's probably my biggest inspiration growing up. Just like when he comes out for the warm-up, just the whole stadium went crazy because you can just tell he's such an idol for Portugal.
How are you settling in at Everton?
It's been great here at Everton. All the lads are top. They make me feel at home straight away. It's a really big club. It's a really family-run club. Fans are great. You can see it on the pitch. You can hear them pushing you on, and it's been great since I've been here.
Who's the best teammate in training?
Yeah, I'd probably say Shamey again, just because he sets the standard in terms of pushing everyone on and motivating people. He's always pushing the training to a high standard, so yeah, probably Shamey.
If you could sign any Irish player, who would it be?
Probably be Evan Ferguson, just because he's a young, up-and-coming talent. He's proven how good he is.
What's your favourite football memory?
I suppose my favourite memory was probably making my first appearance for Ireland against Hungary at the Aviva Stadium. I suppose it was a really big moment for me and my family. So yeah, no, that was definitely my favourite moment.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Probably to read people's minds. It would just be interesting to know what people are thinking.
If you were stranded on a desert island, what 3 items would you bring?
My dog. He's not an item, but I'd bring him. Probably my phone. Football.
What advice would you give to your younger self?
I suppose my biggest piece of advice to a young footballer that's trying to make it, don't listen to any negativity about trying to make it. If you don't believe you can't make it, then no one else will believe it.